Who is Chacha Nyagoti Bichanga? Chacha is a lecturer, personal finance coach, the founder of Chachanomics Consulting Company that offers mentorship and coaching programs. He is also the author of the groundbreaking personal finance book, Mastering Your Money, a practical guide in your journey to financial freedom. Chacha has a profound passion in personal finance, leadership, and personal development. He has attended numerous training programs on personal finance management, many seminars and workshops. Besides, Chacha is a voracious reader who reads widely beyond the subject of personal finance. So what is Chachanomics 101 all about? Chachanomics 101 is a mentorship and coaching program that has dedicated team of coaches, mentors, and trainers on personal finance, emotional, mental, and relational wellness. It offers the following services at affordable rates: personal coaching, one-on-one sessions, 3 to 6 months personal finance and life skill training, and corporate and institutional training. You may ask, who are our target audiences? Chacha mainly addresses fundamental personal finance matters that touch on cadres of people ranging from students, business persons in SMEs, and professionals, both in the government and private sector. To youngsters or students in secondary schools, colleges, and universities, he mentors them on how to utilize their time well by discovering their definite purpose and unleashing their untapped potential. To professionals, he teaches them how to develop a financial plan unique to their special needs, which includes understanding their financial positions, setting goals, budgeting, saving, investing, and protecting assets. What motivated Chacha to write Mastering Your Money? The realization that the subject of money and how it works is not taught in school made him develop a burning desire to write a personal financial guide which can give knowledge and skills about how one can go about to take control of money. The subject of money is very controversial, very emotional, and is rarely talked about positively at home, at school, even the mass media, in churches, in the streets, and in social events, yet money is the pillar that holds other pillars of life together. Because of these challenges and the challenges that he has faced in dealing and relating with money right from childhood, the book captures his personal experiences from childhood to date and captures real life stories about other people in terms of how they relate with money. The understanding of the fact that a sound knowledge of personal financial skills will help one to understand the consequences of one's financial before one makes them. For example, the need to budget before spending, the need to save, that is, to pay yourself first. So, who inspired Chacha to write Mastering Your Money? Robert Kiyosaki, the best-selling author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, set him on the path of acquiring personal financial education. From Kiyosaki's book, Chacha learned to read widely, attend seminars, to budget and spend a good amount of money in order to acquire personal financial knowledge because money matters are not taught in school, neither are they taught in colleges nor universities. His parents, from whom he learned the first lesson on money, his teachers, his friends, colleagues, acquaintances, and accountability partners have inspired him to write a book that can act as a guide to personal finance. Mentors, coaches, and trainers such as one, Washeke Ndwati of Centonomy, who trained him on personal financial management. Second, Dr. Kinyanjui Nganga in his 12 months mentorship program called My Life Journey, which helped him discover his purpose and break certain vicious cycles in his life. Third, Kilundo Mbidi of Investor Clinic, who helped him on how to monetize his passion. Well, what have other people said about mastering your money? It is a well-researched and exciting personal financial manual blended with real-life stories about money and wealth creation. It is a priceless gift to all age group. Sorobi Moturi Erastes, radio presenter, author, and media consultant. Ruth Mweni, a corporate trainer and author, says, grab your copy now, fasten your belt, and enjoy the ride, as I can assure you that you will be transformed on your journey to mastering your money and attaining financial freedom. Kilundo Mbidhi, real estate consultant, author, and coach, says, I can guarantee you that you will be glad you bought, read, and applied the principles taught in the book. Erastus Mudhura, corporate banker and author, says, I'm excited to recommend Mastering Your Money to anyone who wants to deliberately take charge of his or her financial journey and enjoy the blessing that comes with no sorrow. Note, Mastering Your Money is a step-by-step personal financial guide for any person keen on overcoming personal financial problems so as to attain financial freedom. The Chinese say that a journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. Dear friends, kindly make a significant step to acquire a copy of this book. Read it and apply the lessons learned. You can contact the author directly or visit their website www.chachanomics.co.ke. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Stay tuned to Chachanomics Money Talks.